Almond-shaped, hooded, or round, we are all born with different sets of peepers that are unique to us, which is exactly why they each require a different method of application when going in for the ultimate crowd pleaser, the coveted cat eye. We are using the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal in the shade Black Brilliance today. This one is a 2-in-1 kohl and liner. It's preservative-free and 100% vegan. So let's get right in. This one is a gift of good genes, as almond eyes are the most symmetrical and can handle anything from working a wing to rocking an epic smoke show. And apparently it's also the gift that keeps on giving, as it is apt for creating the perfect wing, as all you have to do is follow the natural shape of your eye, keeping the kajal close to your lash line. Start by drawing a thin line from the inner corner of your eyes and build up on the thickness as you move towards the outer corners. Now carefully create a triangle at the outer corner and fill it in. To take it up a notch, draw the same triangular shape on the inner corner of your lower lash line as well, to offer your eyes the illusion of length. Deep-set eyes are set further back into the skull, confining the space between the lashes and the brow bone. So the job is to make the eye appear wider. To do this, make sure to focus the kajal on the outer corners of your eyes. Start by drawing a thin line from the inner corner towards the temples, creating an upward wing, and to make it truly unique, extend the wing back to your crease line, finishing off a touch inwards towards the outer crease of the eye. Smoke out the inner V of the wing to avoid creating any harsh lines, and carefully swipe the space right under it to sharpen the wing. Hooded eyes form a drape from the brow bone over the lid. So going over the lid and into the area under your crease, all the way up to your brow bone, is ideal. Ditch the thin liner and go in for a thick, bold wing to give your eyes some added definition, starting from the back to make it easier. Create a line that extends from the outer corner of the upper lash line towards the center, and then draw a line from the inner corner of the eye, leaving the center untouched. To finish off, look into the mirror with your eyes wide open and fill in the blank space left at the center. Always stick with a smudge-proof kajal to prevent any cringeworthy smearing, and if you want to enhance your eye shape further, tight line your upper lash line to make your eyes appear wider. The lower lash line is better left clean. But then let's leave simplicity to the squeamish and add 2 small dots to the center here to give your classic a trendy, fashion-forward twist. The droop toward the outer end of your eyes naturally categorize them as sultry. The winged liner, in fact, is ideal for your eye shape as it's known to enhance the outer corner of the eyes, faking the lift. Start by drawing a thin stroke from the lower lash line toward the outer corners to give the eyes a lift. Then, draw in the liner on the upper lash line, connecting the two at the outer corners. Make sure that the tail of your wing is short, so it's visible even when you smile. To intensify this look, carry on lining the lower lash line and connect it to the wing and lightly blend the liner here to soften the look. You guys make up the puppy dog club, which pretty much means you get anything you want, and this includes the perfect cat eye. To accentuate your distinct set of eyes, you want to create an illusion of added width. So focus the kajal on the outer corners of your eyes. An elongated cat eye wing adds length to your eye shape. Start your liner 1/3 of the way into your eye, bringing it to a long horizontal wing. Smudge out the eyeliner for a smoky, sultry effect. This means you don't even need eyeshadow. A deep black pigmented kajal not only does the trick, but also saves you the fear of fallout. And there you go. You are now equipped to top off any look with makeup's main master, the mighty wing. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.